Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain PIGGYVEST app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a quick breakdown and analysis about PIGGYVEST. So to get started, PIGGYVEST is a trusted Nigerian app that helps users save and invest money easily. It offers different saving options like piggy bank, save lock, and flex dollar with interest rate ranging from 8% to 20% per year. The app is beginner friendly, secure, and comes with features like autosave, goal tracking, and flexible withdrawal options. It's great tools for building financial discipline and achieving a long-term money goals. However, there are few downsides. Withdraw funds early from locked plan like save lock attract a penalties, and some users report delays or glitches during withdrawal. Also, the investment option may vary and carry some risk and are not insured. Overall, PIGGYVEST is a solid option for disciplined savers who want to grow their money steadily, but users should read the terms carefully before locking in funds. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this fund locking platform. And that's it.